My favorite purchase recently. I love it so much. It can be very easily washed. And I do like that I can store inside my different cosmetic things. For example, I hold these puffs, which I use for my face. I just put it inside and can easily take it with me to the road trip or anywhere I go. Another one I use for cotton pods and for any brush, small, for example, brush. I take it with me, and after the trip, I just wash it with warm water with soap. I love it a lot. I like the material a lot. I love the colors, very neutral, very beautiful, and I'm very satisfied with this purchase. It doesn't take a lot of space in my bag, and I can just take it with me. Very lightweight. There are a lot of different holes, so the air can go through it, so it doesn't get wet or anything.